Thank you all for tuning into this week's episode of Science Stuff. So here today we'll be doing an experiment, a double displacement experiment. So first, what is a double displacement reaction? So in a double displacement reaction, two compounds react, and the positive ions and the negative ions of the two reactants switch places, forming two new compounds or products. So the reaction we'll be looking at today is of sodium sulfate plus barium chloride, which will hopefully turn into sodium chloride and barium sulfate. So what materials do we need for this experiment? So here we have our materials. On our left is sodium sulfate, which is a clear liquid, looks like water. Barium chloride, also clear liquid, looks like water. And we'll be using a test tube holder, and the test tube cleaner and the waste station are just for lab uses. So we'll start our experiment. So I'll be holding the test tube, and Saskia will first she'll put some sodium sulfate into the test tube so that it's about 1 centimeter deep. Yeah, that is about 1 centimeter right there. Perfect. Now we'll be adding the barium chloride, which also looks like water. Whoa, what's happening? Okay, now let's look at this. So it turns into a very cloudy solution, and it doesn't feel that hot. It's very normal temperature. So it just turns into a very cloudy solution, and what's supposed to be inside there is sodium chloride and barium sulfate. So that's all we have for today. Thank you.